Is it simply just your own biology trying to calculate your environment and looking out for its best interests and trying to procreate and move forward with the
Yes.
genes that it has, or is it something almost mystical? Or far more complicated, maybe even. Instead of the word mystical might be tainted, maybe
Yes.
something far more complex than we're currently able to understand.
I think to some extent I would agree it is, because it's certainly different. I mean, to have some internal perception of the external world and being able
Yes.
to think abstractly and all these things, it's surely different from the way a baseball runs through the air and what makes it spin and